Ever wonder why your stomach makes those loud growling sounds when you're hungry? It's not actually your stomach growling, it's your intestines. When you haven't eaten for a while, your digestive system gets to work, clearing out leftover food and gas by contracting and moving it through your intestines. This process is called peristalsis. These movements, along with the air and fluids inside, cause the growling noise we all know so well. So next time you hear your stomach growl, it's just your body doing some housekeeping, telling you it's time to eat. Stay tuned for facts.